Hello you guys, this is Miss Felicia Inspire. Today we're going to be doing a wig review on Level Up Miss Talisa. Yes girl, so if you want to see the full tutorial install and the details, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the construction of this wig. All you're going to get on this one is a lovely hairline and a part. The part is on your left side. So if you're a right side person, you may not want to get this wig. And all I'm going to do at this point is tweeze my hairline just a little bit. I like my part to be very, very clean. You're going to pull those hairs out one at a time because the roots of the hair will put holes in your lace. So just take your time and pluck out what you need, but it's not very, very important that you do, but I do pluck mine because I'm OCD. Now let's talk about this color. This color is the bomb.com, and this is a 360 view of this unit. The hairline is pretty nice. I really, really love it. The unit isn't that thick at all. It's a little on the thin side. So right here, I'm going to begin cutting off my lace. And the lace on this unit is soft lace, and it blends into your skin very, very well. It's a tad bit off shade for me, but I'm going to take my powder makeup and blend that in for you. And all you're going to do is just cut that off. You can wear this unit glueless, and I did wear mine glueless after I did this initial install. But I do think that this is a nice everyday wig, and I have to give it up for this color. They blended it very, very nice, and I love it. I purchased this unit out of my local beauty supply store because out of all of the websites that I've been on, you cannot find this unit. It is out of stock. And so I don't have the packaging that it came in because I got it straight off of the mannequin out of the store. But this color is FFCREME. Honestly, this unit don't need any baby hairs, but to flatten out those roots, you can use a hot comb on very, very low heat. Honestly, you don't really need it, but I'm just flattening it out just to make me feel better. But you don't really have to do any baby hairs with this unit because the hairline looks so nice, and you don't really want to be doing too much. But this hot comb that I'm using is by Yasss, and I will leave that information for you as well. But all you're going to do is just pretty much cut those baby hairs where you want them. And I'm just going to do something simple because I don't really want to have a lot going on with this one. And I'm going to be using my all-time favorite, the Ebon Lace Spray Adhesive. And this pretty much is going to give you a firm hold in there. You can find this also in your local beauty supply store in the travel size. I like to use the travel size because I can just throw it in my purse and go. And I don't really think there's anywhere online that I've seen this spray in the travel size, but they do have the big ones online, but they are very, very expensive compared to getting them out of your local beauty supply store. Overall, this unit is big head friendly, and I can say that anyone could fit this wig with no issue. You do have adjustable bands in the back so that you can adjust the tightness of the unit. I'm going to tie down and melt these edges with a elastic band, and you can get this from any craft store, but I got this one from some previous wigs that I purchased, and it was a free gift from a company, so I just used it because it was laying around. But I love this blow dryer. It's by Plugged, and I get it out of Sally's, and it's tiny, it's travel size, You can take it, store and go, and I love this dryer. So run over to your Sally's Beauty and grab that dryer. It's strong, it's powerful. Now I'm going to apply my my finishing powder, well, my makeup powder, and try to blend that lace in. This lace don't have that white hazy look, but it's pretty good. So just go ahead and put that powder on there and you're done. The cut of this unit is very bomb. The color is on point and I love it. And if you love it, make sure you go out and purchase this unit. And if you like this video, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this video. Don't forget to leave your comments in the box so that I can see what you like or what you think about this unit. Thank you guys.